Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. I just used the guideline distant macro. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use the duplicator. And I'm not going to use the step and repeat because that's basically something you can do inside Corel. But the array does horizontal and vertical. This time we're going to go space between to the right 1/4 of an inch. It automatically, when we do that, I think it automatically puts well, maybe it doesn't, but space between, so you have to hit space between on both of them. So we're going to go to the right and we're going to go up and we're going to have 1/4 inch between them horizontally and 1/4 inch vertically. I've got a 1 inch square, and look at that. Now every square is 1 inch apart and there's 15 of them. And if we measure or do whatever we want to with them, they're 1/4 inch apart. Don't have to do this because I know it is. And it even rounded it off too far. Let's just round it off to 2 decimal places. Well, really just 2.25. Anyway, pretty cool macro. I will leave a link to this macro. I mean, I'm just touching the surface of what it can do. I haven't even gone, this is the first page of, doing things, and you can have offset distances and offset and number of copies, but this is just not going to do an array. Well, let's just do one real quick. Let's get rid of all these and let's just pick this, and we're going to go vertically and horizontally. Let's do space between that 1/4 inch and space between the 1/4 inch, and let's do this. And that's what it does, and that's what would do it in Corel. You could do that in Corel, but if you do the same thing under his array, you get this. It does it horizontally and vertically all at the same time. Pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.